Okay, this feels so. Okay. No. Okay. Hello guys, welcome to ARCT Originals. Okay, and I hope you all have seen the IPL special part 1. We had unboxed CSK, that's a Chennai Super Kings poster in it, and you all also know that I'm a great fan of the Chennai Super Kings. Okay, as you all know, today we are going to do the IPL special unboxing part 2. Okay, bring in the product that we are going to unbox now. Okay, and this is it, the sold store package. We are going to unbox something from the sold store now. I had ordered it, so now let's open it. Okay, now let's just disinfect it by spraying the sanitizer. Okay, that's enough. Okay, and I'm just going to open it now with a blade. Okay, and the top of this package says contains happiness. So now let's just open it from the side. Okay, and I opened it. Nice packaging. And www.thesold.score.store.com CSK. Wow. And this is the most unforgettable unboxing I've ever done. Okay, and now we'll see what's inside this. And see, it's written made from recycled paper because there's no plan B or planet B. This is a very good saying, or a very good or whatever, but very good. It's recycled, and the CSK logo over here, and here's the link. You can also get it from this whole store. This is the okay. Let's unbox it and I'll tell you what's inside. Okay, this feels so. Okay. No. Okay. Wow. And this is the product that we had unboxed today. Okay, 1 minute, I'll just show you what's inside. It's so excited. I feel so excited to unbox this product. Okay, and this is a good cover right in front of me with nice doodles of the sold store, and here is a certificate from the sold store. We'll read what's written in it now. We'll read this after unboxing, that's opening this. Okay, that's a bill, and wow, and this is the jersey. That's the official merchandise of the Chennai Super Kings for the year 2021. So now I will be opening it and we'll see the quality and how it is. And here is it. the CSK jersey. So there are many changes from last year. It has 3 stars right here. It has a golden band right here. It has an military symbol which I think they dedicated to the Army of India, and this shows the power play. No, sorry, not the power play. The fair play. They see almost every season they win the fair play awards, and nice. The sold store and a tag and the CSK logo, and made by recycling 15 ocean bound PET bottles and 55% less carbon footprint, less recyclable at end of life, and uses 90% less water than regular polyester because there is no plan or planet B. We already saw it, and it's come in the number and name of my Tala Dhoni. It's written 7 and Dhoni. So nice. I feel very excited to own this jersey, and it's so nice. The finish and the quality, it's so premium, superb. It's just a different feel to own a jersey like this with the sponsor logos, and in the front is the Chennai Super Kings logo, and nice, very good, superb, 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 superb. The best unboxing, the unforgettable unboxing, the most excited unboxing, and so many more. And one more thing, guys, don't forget to do this whistle podu, but from home. So whistle podu from home. Okay, guys, we'll just okay, that's it. What else to see? Everything is in this. This jersey is so premium, as I said before. Okay, and here is it, the Chennai Super Kings logo and the name and number of my Tala. Okay, and we'll just read that certificate, and we'll finish this IPL special unboxing part 2 video also. Okay, and it says Chennai Super Kings, the sole store certificate of authenticity, and congratulations, you're now the proud owner of this official Chennai Super Kings replica jersey brought to you by the Soul Store. As a super fan, your passionate support and your love goes a long way in motivating us. But there's a lot more to life than cricket. As a team, we've always been aware of our social responsibility as well. Here's presenting our replica jersey made from recycled plastic. By purchasing this jersey, you helped recycle 15 plastic bottles that would have ended up in the ocean. You should be proud of yourself. Love, MS Dhoni. And what a certificate! So if you are a yellow fan, if you are a Super Kings fan, the Chennai Super Kings fan, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I am a super fan of the Chennai Super Kings.